Welcome to Essex Wildlife Trust Tollesbury Wick Nature Reserve. This is a stunning example of freshwater grazing marsh in Essex. We're walking along the seawall at the moment, which is the interface between this beautiful grazing marsh, home to our flying flock of sheep, cows and Exmoor ponies, and the salt marsh on the other side. Today we're going to walk along the seawall and explore the spit at the end, which is one of the key sites for our Share Our Shores project. Share Our Shores is a collaborative project between Essex Wildlife Trust and the RSPB that looks to protect Essex's beach nesting birds. We do this in three ways: by undertaking habitat management on our sites, such as the spit at Tollesbury Wick behind me, monitoring key populations of the species, so that's the little tern, the ring plover and the oyster catcher, and raising awareness with everyone of what we all can do to help these amazing species along our coast. Tollesbury Wick Nature Reserve now to continue our journey along the coast. Remember to keep sharing your own experiences of the Essex Coastal Challenge.